Please, Miriam cannot die. Help me save her, Lord, please.
Hey, doctor. How is she?
She's still unconscious, but we are doing everything we can to stop the internal bleeding.
Oh, doctor, please, I beg you, in the name of God. Please do everything in your power to make sure she's okay.
Sir, like I said, we are doing our best, but we need to make some deposit before we can continue.
Deposit?
Yes.
Doctor, I don't have any money on me.
Then you need to go and get some money. If you really want to help her, then you need to make a deposit.
Doctor, how much are we talking about?
You can deposit the sum of 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira?
Yes.
Okay, doctor. 100,000 naira. I'll get it, okay? I'll get it, please. Just do everything you can, okay? I'll get it now. Oh, please help me. What kind of thing is this? Oh my goodness. Miriam cannot die. If Miriam dies like this, I am finished. I'm finished. Oh God. God, you have to intervene. Please help me. How much will this bring? It's not enough. Mom, I'm sorry, but I have to sell this too. I'm sorry. Oh, doctor, I have the money. You can commence the treatment. 100,000 naira.
Well, don't worry. She's already in the theater and we are doing our best to make sure she stays alive.
Okay, and she's responding to the treatment. She's okay.
By the grace of God, she'll be alright.
All right, but doctor, take the money now.
Take it to the cashier and make the payment.
Okay, doctor. Thank you very much, doctor.
What nonsense! What do they take me for?
Girl,
I don't understand.
see, listen, you have to calm down. You have to
Calm down for what? This is the 6th relationship. The 6th one. They all come for my money or something so fickle. It's like, why? No, am I not deserving of true love? Why can't nobody love me?
It's not your fault. And you really don't have to kill yourself about this. Come on, girl. There are good-hearted men out there.
Like, where? No, tell me where. Where are they? Where are these good-hearted men? Can you imagine that? While I'm out there funding this guy's life, making sure that he's comfortable, he's out there funding another woman's life. Men. Fear men. Men will stay your white. Look, I'm going to let him stay in jail for as long as I want.
I understand. I understand what he did was wrong. You know, claiming to be in love with you and seeing another girl, even planning to get married to another girl. All he did was wrong. But girl, what would you gain? Tell me what you would gain by getting locked up.
Satisfaction. That will make me very happy. This is the 5th man doing the same thing to me. All 5 of them, I just let it slide. This one, I would not let it slide. He will pay for it. He will pay with his blood. He will rot in jail. He would be the scapegoat. Enough of men hurting me.
It's okay. Just take it easy. Take it easy. No.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Why can't nobody love me?
Sorry. But I'm here for you. I love you.
I'm tired.
So, doctor, how was it?
Congratulations, sir. The surgery was a success.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank you so much, doctor. Can I go see her now?
No. You have to wait for her to wake up.
Okay. I'll wait. I'll be right here. I'll wait.
Make sure you wait. Don't enter.
All right, doctor.
Thank you.
Guys, sorry. I have to come immediately. I heard about it. So what are they saying about her condition? What's going on?
They just commenced her treatment. The first surgery was a success, so
Thank God.
I'm just hoping she gets better. I'm praying, bro, because I don't know what I would do if anything happens otherwise, because I can't handle it.
She'll be fine, okay? Don't worry, she'll be fine. But first time I brought you food. You need to eat. My guy, you need to chow. You need to be strong and take care of your woman. You need chow.
Yeah, bro, I'll eat, okay? I just need her to wake up first.
Bro, you need to eat.
I need her to wake up.
You need to be strong and take care of her. I don't know if there is a...
Sure, man, just put it down, please.
I want you to eat though.
I will, please.
Now, okay.
Thank you, bro.
Mary, I'm sorry.
So, how didn't I see the car? How didn't I see it?
God, what is wrong with me? What is going on? Is there something that I am doing wrong? Please tell me. Because why am I so unlucky when it comes to love? Why are men not capable of loving me? I worked my ass up and climbed that ladder. I didn't just appear here. I was a poor girl from a poor home. I came out of that with hard work and I walked up that ladder till I got here. So why are the men so insecure? Why can't they stand the fact that I am independent and sufficient? Why can't they stand that? God, this hurts so much. It hurts so much to have not love in my life.
Babe, just relax. You have to calm down. Please.
It hurts. It hurts so much. Girl, I worked my ass out to be where I am.
I know.
Isn't that a virtue that a man should be proud of? Isn't that something that a man should want to have in his woman? Why does the world have double standards when it comes to successful women? Why?
Thank God you know the society has double standards. I mean, but as for me, I'm proud of you. You're the boss. You worked so hard. But don't worry. I believe love will come. Love will find you one day. True love. So just calm down. Please.
God, this dad is so tired. It breaks my heart. Like, why don't they just want to leech on me?
It's okay.
So tired.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Babe. Hey, babe. You're awake.
Oh, Donald.
Yes. You're awake. You know what? It's hold on. I'll go get the doctor. Doctor!
Hey, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. But why is everywhere dark? I can't see anything. Why did you off the lights?
Can you see anything? Can you feel anything?
No, I can't see anything. It's dark everywhere.
Doctor, please explain to me what's going on. Please.
I'm sorry to say this, but it is obvious that your girl has gone blind.
What? Blind!
Yes. The impact of the accident affected her sight.
God, wait, doctor. She's blind. Now.
Right now, she can't see anything with her eyes.
Doctor, you knew these things. You didn't say anything. Why did you keep it to yourself?
I didn't know either. She has been unconscious since she arrived. She just regained her consciousness, and that was how we got to know.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay, so doctor, what is the way forward right now? Because she cannot be blind forever. I will kill myself. She can't. All right, she can't.
You don't have to kill yourself. But I don't have anything to say for now because it is not my field. For now, we will need to consult an ophthalmologist. He will have to look into her case, give us the extent of damage that has been done, and then his opinion. Then we'll know where to go from there.
She's blind. You don't guess she's blind.
We can't ascertain whether it's permanent or temporary.
But she is blind. She cannot see.
For now.
Donald, you're back. Are you crying? Why are you crying? Is everything fine? Donald, what is happening? Is my condition that bad? Donald, please let me know what is going on. I promise you I'll handle it. What is going on?
I don't think it's something you can handle.
What is it?
It's too much for me to bear. I can't handle it.
Donald, please let me know. I promise you I'll handle it. What is going on?
The doctor said you're going blind.
Blind? Me? No, I'm not blind.
That's what he said.
No.
He said that the accident affected your vision. That's why you can't see anything right now.
No, I can see. I have to see. No, I can't be blind.
Okay, there's hope. Okay, he said we have to see an ophthalmologist that he will be able to tell us the way forward. I don't know.
No, I cannot be blind. No.
Look, okay, I promise you, baby, I promise you will never be blind. All right, I will do whatever it takes, whatever I have to do to make sure you see again. All right, I promise you, baby, I promise you. All right, you will not. Even if it's the last thing I do before I die, I will do it. All right, even if it means me sacrificing my life for you to see, I promise you, baby, I will do it. Okay?
Why is it that bad things keep on happening to me?
No, don't say this.
Why did I do to deserve
Baby, don't say this.
Like
Come on.
I'm
You won't be blind, okay? I promise you. You won't be blind. I'll make sure you will never be blind.
Guy, take it. It's not your fault. Okay? See, you sold virtually everything that you have to make sure she's okay. Come on, it's not your fault. Take it easy.
You don't get it. She's going blind. Because of me, it's my fault she's going blind.
How is that your fault?
She pushed me! Alright, she pushed me out of the way of the vehicle. That's how she got hit. She's in a condition now because of me.
See.
God.
We are going to do everything in our power to make sure she gains her sight back, okay? Alright? But guy, blindness is not a joke.
It's not a joke.
You know what? Let's wait for the ophthalmologist report and let us, check it from there. Okay?
Oh, I just can't. She's going to be blind because of me.
Oh, hey.
What's up?
Hey, baby girl.
Well, just coming from your office. You were not there. What's going on?
Oh, come on now. Are you serious? Well, I just decided to take the day off, to rest and clear my head.
Don't tell me you're still depressed about what happened.
Girl, you know me, I'm a fighter. I'm tough like that.
I know, right?
I can't let this weigh me down. I just needed to rest. But I'll definitely be at work tomorrow.
Okay.
What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be at work?
But right now, I'm about to call them and give them 1 or 2 reasons why I won't be at work. Like an emergency.
Why?
Can't leave you like this, obviously. I have to be
now.
right by your side. Look at you. Let's spend
Come
the time
on now.
together.
Come on
Let me call
now.
them.
You don't have to.
Oh yeah, hello.
The specialist has given us his report and he says her condition is not permanent. It can be fixed.
Oh, really? Doctor?
Yes.
It can be fixed.
Yes.
Wow, thank God.
We have a
Wow.
solution now.
Thank
But-
God she can you see.
But
What?
She will need to undergo a surgery and it will
Surgery.
cost you.
Cost?
Cost us.
How much?
7 million naira.
Doctor, 7 million naira.
7 million naira.
Doctor, even if you sell me, sell Uche, alright, we can never have 7 million naira. 7 million naira that if Doctor, please, I beg you. 7 million naira is too much. We can never afford it.
See, doctor, please, can't we do something? We can still on installments.
Yes!
You just, so that you can just see.
Yes, just let us see. They will be paying. You get?
It is 7 million naira or nothing. There is no installments. Right now, she's free to go. And if you want us to go on with the operation, it will have to be as soon as possible.
Hell, tsunami. God.
But doctor, it's 7 million naira we are talking about here. And my girlfriend's eyes. Just do the eyes now, then 7 million will come later.
We'll try now. See,
It's just 7 million naira now.
Just try to do something.
Gee, I'm confused.
What do I do now?
You don't have to be confused here, okay? See, I think the best idea is for also discharge Marianne. Because you don't even have a penny. I don't even have 7 million
That's
to
all.
begin with.
That's all.
Yes.
We abandon her just like
I'm
that.
not going to abandon her, guy. I am not going to abandon her. See, for now, you take her to the house. You take care of her, and look for a job.
A job?
Yes, because
Guy,
the
you're
white collar
talking
job
as
you're
if
looking
it's
for-
easy. You're talking as if it's easy. I should go get. Do you know
You
how
look
long
for
I've been
a
looking for a
white-collar
job?
You've not gotten anyone now. Eh? You can just start with a menial job or something.
Menial job?
Yes.
This guy, are you kidding me? I should go and carry cement. How many cement will I carry to raise 7 million naira? Oh, is that easy to carry cement and raise 7 million naira? And all those boys don't have houses.
Yeah, you need to start from somewhere. You need to start from somewhere. Because, you know, before now, she was the one feeding for you too. Alright, but now she's depending on you to survive.
Bro, I don't know, man. I don't know.
See, bro, you need to relax, okay?
No, I can't.
You need to
I
relax. You need
can't.
to just take her home.
Here, baby. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do? When the going gets tough.
Baby, I'm so sorry.
The taste for love is not in bounty.
I'm really sorry. Look, I know. This is not the life you planned for yourself. But what I can promise is that I'll do everything I can to get you your sights. And I'll go out there. I'll work really hard. And I'll do any kind of job I see. That 7 million naira, I am going to pay it, okay? I'm going to pay it. I'm going to pay it.
Yes, who is that coming?
Hello.
Hey. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Clara is here, okay? Please sit. So, I called you, Clara, so you can come help me take care of my baby, okay? I want to go out to look for a job. Hopefully I get one.
It's fine, I'm here. I'll take care of her.
All right, thank you very much.
I wish you success.
Thank you very much. All right, babe, I have to go out now, okay? I want to go get a job. I love you.
I love you too.
I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Wish me luck.
I wish you all the best, my love.
All right, baby. All right, thank you, Clara.
It's fine.
All right.
Success, okay?
Yes, thank you.
How are you, Clara?
I should be asking you how you are. How are you doing now? Mary, this Donald guy is really a nice guy. And he likes you so much. I see the way he's running up and down to make sure he get money for your treatment. I just wish him success. I pray he succeeds.
Clara, this is not the kind of life I ever wished for at some point in my life. After going through so much, I cannot end up like this, Clara. No, I cannot.
It's okay. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
Now Donald is left to labor for the hospital bills money alone. Clara, where is he going to get all that money? 7 million naira. Atatoapi, Clara. Where is he going to get all the money
Stop crying, my
from?
friend. Mary, just have faith now. Have faith. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. Stop crying. You know when you start crying like this, I'll start crying with you.
I'm hurting, Clara.
I know, but it's okay. Stop crying now.
I wish I could just see.
It's okay, my friend. Now, you want me to start crying with you this morning?
Sorry, ma. Is everything okay?
No. I don't know what happened, but my car wouldn't start.
Your car won't start.
Yeah.
Ma, this is not a good place to leave your car.
I
Because they will
know.
remove something from your car. They will remove your Indomie. If you leave your car, if you park your car here, they will remove your Indomie. Can I check see what's wrong with it?
Yeah, are you familiar with?
Yeah, I can.
I don't know, it just won't start.
Okay, let's start from this. Okay. Let's try it.
Oh yeah, I should start
Yes,
it.
let's
Okay.
try.
Let's see. Oh! What? Wow, it's working!
Yeah.
Wow. So, oh my God, thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
What was wrong with it?
So
What did you do?
The thing is, this terminal here, this one here, most times if it's not well tightened from the screw, once you climb a speed bump, it will loosen.
Oh,
And so when you want to
see.
start it next time, it will have a partial contact and it will start the car. Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. I'm so
It's
grateful.
okay, ma. It's okay.
So where were you going? Maybe I can give you a lift.
No, don't worry. I'm going home. I actually was just coming from a job interview where I was looking for a job. I've been scouting for jobs since, and it's just quite hard in this country.
Oh, I see. You're job hunting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what kind of job are you looking for?
Ma, right now, I don't care. Any job I see, I will take. I'm so desperate. I need money.
Okay, hold on. Let me. Okay, so here's my complimentary card. Give me a call and stop by the office tomorrow. Okay, yeah, let's see what we can do about your situation.
Thank you very much, ma. I'll find the address, ma.
Oh no, don't mention.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You said
for this.
tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Come to the address on the card.
All right, thank you very much.
All
ma.
right, take
I
care.
appreciate
God bless you. I
Bless you
appreciate
too, ma.
Whew. Lord have mercy. Oh, see.
And just like that, she gave me her card and she told me to contact her tomorrow.
Wow, that is good news. Babe, you have to go. Maybe this is how God wants to bless us.
Yeah, but the thing is I can't go tomorrow.
Why?
Babe, I have to take you to the hospital. Your appointment is tomorrow. Have you forgotten?
I know, but we can always postpone that. This is so important. You can't miss this.
No, babe. You are what's more important. All right, nothing is more important than you. All right, there's a reason why the doctor gave us tomorrow.
It's fine, but I'm not that sick. We can reschedule it. Babe, I don't want this woman to think that we are that unserious.
I insist, all right? I insist we are going to the hospital tomorrow. I need to be sure you're okay.
Okay, so if you insist, but you promise that you'll have to go the next day.
Yes, I will. But babe, I've exhausted all the money I have. After I take you to the hospital tomorrow, I won't have anything for transport.
That shouldn't be a problem. Just look for my bag in that dresser table and you'll find some money in it. It will help you out.
Come in. ₦20,000. Ah, baby, you have this kind of money in this house.
No, that is the money I always put aside for emergencies.
You have everything figured out. You're always thinking ahead.
Yeah, you should always think about the future, not just now.
Everything will be fine, okay?
Yeah. Donald.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Can I ask for something?
What is it?
Donald, I know it will take long. But however long it takes, please, I want to see again.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice.
Babe, I promise you. All right? I promise you on everything that I hold there, you will see again. I'll do whatever it takes. I make you this promise, okay? I promise you.
Thank you.
It's okay, stop crying. I don't like it when you cry. I don't like it when you cry,
When
okay?
the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. No, no. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real test, is in the hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. Through the storms, under the sun, even in the rain.
Who's there coming?
Through thick and thin.
Good day, ma.
Oh, it's you.
Yes, ma.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma.
So you were supposed to come over yesterday and you didn't show up. What happened?
Yes, ma. I'm so sorry, ma. My woman was sick yesterday, so I had to take her to the hospital.
Your woman.
Yes, ma.
So you rather forfeit a lifetime opportunity of getting you a good job over taking care of your girlfriend.
I'm sorry,
Does
ma.
she not have family members?
I'm so sorry, ma. But my girlfriend is my life. She's my everything. And she wasn't feeling fine yesterday. I just had to take care of her.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry for being so insensitive.
Thank you.
So, Donald, I've been thinking of what type of job I can give you. And I have two ideas. So I want you to be my personal assistant and also my driver. Because you see, these two positions requires moving around with me. So if one person can handle that, that would save me a lot. So I will be paying you 400,000 naira as my personal assistant and 200,000 naira as my driver, making a sum total of 600,000 naira. Is that okay by you?
It's a lie, ma. 600,000 naira.
Do you want this job or not?
I want it. Ma, I want the job. I want the job. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
All right, great then. HR would give you your offer letter and you can start work tomorrow.
600,000 naira, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Donald.
600,000. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Cynthia, what's wrong with you? Why are you like this? What's going on?
Can you imagine that he would rather stay home and take care of his girlfriend than take up a good job? Wow.
I didn't know men like this still exist.
I'm lost. Where are all this coming from? I'm not familiar with this conversation.
Remember I told you my car broke down the other day?
Oh,
So there was this gentle young man who came around and helped me fix it.
Oh, okay.
He told me he needed a job, so I handed him my complimentary card.
Okay.
I haven't heard from him since then. So this guy shows up at the office today.
Okay.
So we're sitting opposite each other. I was interviewing him. And, we're talking about his job description and everything. And the whole time, the guy was just sending pointers to let me know that his girlfriend is top priority. So in my head, I'm thinking, how? Does this guy really need this job or what's like? He was so forward about his woman that I started wondering, who could this girl be? I said, okay. This guy made it clear to me that when it comes to his girlfriend, he does not have manners. I was like, okay. Does he need a job or what? If it was any other person interviewing him for that role, he would never get the job.
I know, right?
But for some reason, I found that very intriguing.
Okay.
Yeah. I said, how can a man be putting his girlfriend up there like that? She's not even in the room and he's defending her. He's speaking so well about her. Like, it's an undertone.
I know, right? But come to think of it, he talks too much. I mean, for someone trying to get a job, why would you just go for an interview and you're just talking about your woman?
Just running your mouth, right? About your woman. I know, right? The same thing I thought. But the guy no send you. He was just saying it as it is. Take it or leave it. I was like,
Who is this girl?
Yeah, and do you want this job or not?
Oh, no, what you get?
Yeah, it's bad enough you're jobless and
you're just out there talking about.
No, but there's something different about this guy. He's a different kind of breed.
Okay.
Good morning, ma.
Oh, good morning. How are you?
I'm very fine.
Great.
How are you?
Very well. We good to go?
Yes, ma.
All right, let's go. Good morning, sir. I'm actually heading to the office. Wow. Okay, sir, I'll be on my way right now. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Donald.
Ma?
Let's change our route. We're going to AP Manufacturing Company right away.
Okay, I'll do a U-turn up front.
Ma?
Huh? Yeah.
Ma, you look very tense and jittery. If you go in the way you're going to mess things up. Please, you need to calm down and take a deep breath.
Donald, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. I was hoping that I would take out the week to work on those proposal documents. I never knew that the presentation would come up so soon.
I know, Ma, but this is the situation right now. And you need to meet up to it. This whole proposal thing, whatever it takes, you're going to have to go in there and defend it. There's nothing new that is in that proposal that you've not done before. It's what you've been doing for the whole of your life. So once you go in there, ma, you have to be calm, talk confidently, and like you know what you're saying, ma. Yes. Because you are the best in that room, I can assure you. No one there would be as good as you, or even half as good as you. And that is the advantage you have over them. So go in there, ma, and rock it.
That's right. I got this.
Yes, ma, you got
Good pep talk. Thank you, Donald.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I got this.
Yes.
Whew. All right, let's go.
Ma, how did it go?
Donald, you won't believe it. It went excellently well. We got the deal.
Wow. Congratulations, ma.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for your encouragement.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do you do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real taste, is in hard times. Yeah, my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you, no matter what may come my way.
All right, my love. I'll be heading out now. All right. I left food for you in the kitchen. Your lunch is in the pot, while your breakfast is in the cooler. All right, you don't need to wash the plates, okay? When I come back, I will wash them.
Thank you. Have a great day at work.
Yeah, I will.
Through the storms, under the sun, even in the rain, through thick and thin, yeah, I'll always be there for you. Whatever I do for love. Whatever I say for love. Whatever decision I make, it's all for love. I cross my heart.
It's okay. I'll fan you.
No. Please, babe, it's fine. I have a lot of work to do. Please, just go on with your work.
Yeah, but I need to take care of you too.
But you have to finish that work before daybreak.
Hey, you are my priority. I need to take care of you, alright?
Babe,
Just relax.
what about your work?
Just relax. I'll take care of you.
You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always
Okay. You didn't get any sleep last night?
I barely did, ma.
Why? What happened?
It's nothing, ma. It's just something domestic. Nothing serious.
What? Your girlfriend was sick again?
No, no. They took the light. It was a power outage, so the whole place was hot and she couldn't sleep, so I had to fan her through the night.
You fanned her through the night?
Yes, ma'am.
Weren't you hot as well? So why didn't you fan yourself?
Oh, well, my girlfriend comes first. She's priority to me, so she was hot and I had no choice. I had to fan her. So the night till they restored the power. Yes, ma'am.
And then you give birth to like 5 more babies for me.
5?
Yes,
Oh,
5.
that's a lot.
He has like 4 boys and 1 girl.
No,
So
2
that-
boys
No,
and 1 girl.
no,
Yes.
4.
No, 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 no.
4 boys.
A bit. 2 boys and...
Really? Sorry, don't hurt yourself. I'm so sorry. Okay, you know what?
Oh no, we have to agree first. 2 boys, 1 girl, right?
Wait, relax. Do you know the reason why?
Uh-huh.
The 1 girl will be treated like a queen because she'll be surrounded by kings, like
Yes, and
an
that's what
army
I'm
of guys.
saying.
Nobody will mess with her.
It's fine. That's
why
what I'm saying.
4 boys,
Oh,
1
please,
girl.
no. Those 4 boys will beat up my girl.
No, they'll beat up anybody. Oh, my phone.
Oh, who's that?
It's my boss.
Okay, fine. Answer it.
Why is she calling me today? So
Please, baby, just answer it. You never know.
Yeah, Donald, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Okay, something just came up, all right? We have an urgent meeting that I have to attend. I understand today is your off day, but please, you have to come with me.
Ma, today is Sunday, and it's supposed to be my free day. Besides, it's the only time I get to spend with my woman. And you said the meeting is out of town.
Donald, I understand that today is your off day, okay? But if I don't attend this meeting, it's gonna affect our company negatively, and we can't afford that. So please, you need to come with me.
Okay, ma. I just hope we return soon.
Oh, no, not at all. We will start heading back as soon as the meeting is done. Look, don't bother coming to me. I will drive over to your house and pick you up, and then we can move together. Is that okay?
Okay, ma. Babe, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Today is Sunday. It's the only time I get to spend with you.
It's okay, my love. It's fine. You know we really need this job. You have to go, babe. It's fine. I'll be okay. Just go and get dressed.
I don't know.
Please, we need this job. Please, it's fine. I promise I'll be fine. Just go and get dressed.
Okay. Donald, I'm sorry I didn't plan for this, okay? As you can see, we couldn't conclude on our meeting today and it has been rescheduled to continue tomorrow. So, I don't know. My plan was that we're going to go back as soon as the meeting was done. But given the circumstance now, we'll just have to make it work. We'll stay here.
That's where the problem is. I didn't tell Miriam I'll be sleeping out today.
Oh, well, that's why you have a phone. Besides, she should understand the nature of your job.
Yeah, but ma, you should understand her condition. You know what, it's fine. I'll just call her. Hello, my love. No, my love, no, I'm not. The meeting, we didn't finish it, so they had to reschedule for 8 a.m. tomorrow.
So my boss is suggesting that we sleep over and then come back tomorrow. Okay, thank you, baby. I'll call Clara to come stay and take care of you. Hi, Clara. Clara, please, I need your help. Yeah, she's fine. But the thing is, I won't be coming back today. I'm out of town and the workload is still much. So I don't know. I was wondering if you'll be able to help me go stay with Marianne. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, ma, that is sorted.
Okay, so I'll just have to call the booking agent to see if he can get us another room.
Okay, ma.
Yeah, give me a second. Hello, Josh. Yes, can you please book an extra room for my personal assistant? All right, thank you. Okay, so I'm sorry about this, but it'll be sorted out. He'll get back to me soon.
Marianne,
Yes.
this one you trust Donald so much now. And he's working for that his boss. Now they've traveled on an emergency trip. So tell me, how far?
Clara, you're overreacting. I know Donald very well. Donald loves me, and I love him so much, and I'm pretty much sure there's no way Donald can leave me. Whether I get blind, whether I lose my hands, lose my legs, I know my man very well, and trust you me, there's no way he's going to do that.
Okay, oh, but you know that his boss, she's pretty, she's sexy, she's classy, and she's even very, very wealthy.
I don't care about that. I know Donald very well, and if at all there was something going on, he wouldn't be calling me every time to check up on me. He wouldn't. I know my man, and trust you me, he can never leave me. There's nothing in this world that can ever make Donald leave me.
If you say so, my friend, but I just pray everything works out for you because that his boss, she's too classy, oh.
You're just overreacting for no reason, Clara, and trust you me, I know my guy.
Who is there?
Who is that?
Uche, you're here.
Hello, ladies.
Welcome,
Welcome.
Uche. Your friend is out of town.
Oh, yes, I'm aware. He asked me to come check up on you and see how you're doing.
Oh,
I'm
thank
sure
you.
you're fine.
Yeah.
But I'm here, so why is he bothering?
Anyway, he insisted that I should come check up on the two of you and be sure that you girls are not lying.
So as you can see, we are doing very well. We are very okay. I was about going to make dinner for her before you came in, since he did not make any arrangements for her.
Donald was supposed to return. He thought he would come back and prepare me dinner. But unfortunately, the plans changed. But all is well.
Well done, Clara. Well done. Okay?
So, ma, we're good. Tomorrow, we're ready for tomorrow. All we need to do is just show them this, what we've done, and we won't have a problem at all.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes, ma.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I can't believe we've been working till this time. What? 11 p.m. Oh, okay. Hi, Josh. No available rooms? Really? Oh, okay. All right, that's fine. Thanks. Thanks, I appreciate it. Oh, Donald, I'm sorry, but there are no available rooms. So, you have to share mine.
It's fine, ma. Because I can't even suggest we look for another hotel. Because this is the closest to the meeting place.
Exactly.
So it's fine. I'll just manage this couch. I'll be fine. You can use the bed.
Come on, Donald. I can't have that on my conscience. Come on, I can't let you sleep on a couch. Look, that's just the one-seater couch. You drove a very long distance today to get here and you've been walking all day. You deserve proper sleep. Please, you are going to sleep on the bed. Please.
No, please just stay comfortable, okay? I promise you, this is not a big deal for me, all right? I've done it a couple of times in my lifetime. I'll be fine on this couch. Trust me, I'll be fine, ma.
Donald.
I'll be fine, ma. Don't worry. I'll be fine. I promise you. I'm good like this. Once I put my head on the wall, this is how I've slept like this a couple of times.
Donald, it won't hurt if we,
I know, ma. I know. But I'm fine. Hey, my love, I'm back.
Oh, you're back.
Yes, I am.
Welcome back. How was your trip?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Okay.
I'm sorry about the way things turned out. I didn't plan for it to be like this.
No. You don't have to worry about that. It's fine. As long as it went well, we thank God.
I got you something.
Oh, wow. You did?
Yes, I did. You love it. It's very, very nice, very beautiful. Here, this one. It's a dress. Yes.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Yes. I got this one too. I got some scarves to cover your hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like them so much. I just wish I could see them. I know they're beautiful. Thank you so much, my love. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'm sorry, baby. Look, I promise I'll do everything I can to make sure you see again. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What do you do when the going gets tough? The taste for love is not in bounty. No. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real taste, is in the hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you.
Baby, I love you so much. I don't think I can survive this world without you.
I love you too, Donald. And thank you so much for everything you're doing for me. I really appreciate.
I know you're going through a lot, but I hope you know I'm going through a lot too.
Yeah.
I know it's not easy being blind, but I will do everything I can to make sure you see again. Okay?
Yes.
Only it might not be as urgent as we want it to be, but I promise you, no matter how long it will take, I will get that money and we will solve your eyes issues, okay?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
How far with this situation with Marianne stuff? Have you been able to succeed in anything yet?
Bro, you know I just started the job. Yeah, so my plan is to actually work there for a while, gain my boss's trust. That way, I'll be able to ask her for some loan, that she'll be deducting from my salary every month and just handle the issue.
But that's a very good idea. Man, I pray it works out for you, but
Yeah, me too.
yeah.
Believe it will, though. Yeah.
And I need to be eating you up.
Bro,
You
I
don't
can't
know
stand
what
to see her blind. Honestly.
No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you.
What's going on? Why are you smiling all by yourself? It's been long as I saw you in this mood though. What's going on? Tell me. Just me.
Girl, when you see a real man, you would know he's a real man. You know? Like, he doesn't even have to do too much. You will just know that this man is made of substance. The way he does his things, you would tell that this man is a good man. My sister, if money can't touch that man, it will now be a real man plus doings. You could just see doings everywhere. Like I have it all pictured here.
Who is this guy you're talking about?
My dear, I have seen a real man. My PA, that guy is a real man. You know, that guy has been there for me. The way he treats me, oh Lord. That's a real man. See, when we go for meetings and he comes in the building, like when me and him are when we walk in together, hey, you will we give this power couple vibes. You know how they say behind every man is a successful woman? Now the reverse is the case with us. It is behind every successful woman, there is a supportive man.
Oh. With the way you're talking about this guy, hope you've not fallen for him already.
Fallen? You be my girl now. I cannot hide anything from you.
Okay.
My dear, I am a goner. I have completely fallen for this guy. I am head over heels in love with this guy.
Okay.
The sad thing is, man, the good ones are always taken. He has a girlfriend.
Wait, what? He has a girlfriend?
Yes, now I told you about the blind girl he's dating.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, if he has a girlfriend, who cares? Just count that one as a girlfriend. Or did he tell you he's going to get married to a blind girl that cannot see? Man, I beg, if you like the guy, hold on. Snatch him.
My sister, this one no be about blind girl. You see that blind girl? The way he carries her.
That one.
He puts her high on the pedestal. He holds her in such high esteem. You can have 500 sexy, banging body girls in one corner. He wouldn't even look at them. He would go for that blind girl. Their love is so sweet. It's so sacrificial. I don't know what it is about that girl.
Listen, you have the money. And with money, you can make anything work. Yes. And I'm so sure he's going to pick money over that blind girl. I'm very sure. So just get his attention, then work your way into his life. Don't catch him. Trust me. She's a blind girl. Isn't she, Sabi? Big. Just get into him first, and you see everything will work out. Trust me. Well, this food is very nice.
hold on. Oh, Donald, you're here.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, yeah, come on in. Please sit. I'll be right back.
All right, ma'am.
Here you go. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay. Donald. Here. I bought you some clothes.
You bought me clothes.
Yeah. You know, you're my PA now, and I want you to look presentable at all times.
But Ma, you pay me. I could have bought this with my money.
I'm guessing that you have personal needs to attend to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I decided to save you the expenses.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Don't mention.
I'll go put this in the car.
All right, go ahead.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, hello? Oh, is this a dispatch?
Oh, babe.
Hey. Hey, baby.
Hey.
And what is all this you're carrying?
It's clothes my boss bought for me.
Oh, really? She bought you clothes?
Yes, she did.
That's so sweet of her.
So,
Okay, you can
why
see.
did she get all these things for you? Huh? Are you sure the both of you are not having an affair?
Clara.
What rubbish are you saying?
You call it nonsense now. I saw the both of you the other day, laughing and gisting, eh? And that conversation doesn't even look like employer and employer's conversation. You're both looking like lovers.
Clara! Will you shut up? What kind of talk is this? Clara, this is my man. And I don't see any problem with him discussing and talking with his boss. Should he just keep a front face because he's talking to his boss?
Where's all this nonsense coming from?
Marianne, this is how it starts. He'll be here prophesying love to you while he's busy sleeping with his boss.
Clara, please, Clara. Don't even talk to my man like that.
Now listen, Clara. I don't care what it is you think you saw, but this is my woman and I will never cheat on her. Alright, so you better stop spewing and putting those nonsense thoughts into her head.
Honey, babe, I'm so sorry. Please forgive her. I'm very much sure that Clara had good intentions in saying all this. Please.
Good intentions to insult me.
Baby, honey, babe. Honey, Clara, why are you doing this? Babe!
What is it? What is
My
it?
leg! My leg!
What's wrong? Sorry. Sorry, you have to come up.
Oh my god!
Oh, so sorry. Do you want me to carry? Let me see.
My leg! Oh!
Yeah. Sorry. Money. Sorry. Sorry. I have to. Sorry. You go inside. Sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. is such a strong. Ooh.
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
So how's the leg?
Ouch.
Does it still hurt?
So much.
So sorry.
Where have you been all my life?
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I've seen a lot of men. None of them can come close to you. You are different. The way you love and care is so beautiful. Makes me think your girlfriend must be a very lucky woman.
So the thing is, I feel like I'm the lucky one.
Hmm.
Yes.
How so?
Well, let's just say I'm the reason she's in the condition she is.
Can you explain?
Her accident. The vehicle was supposed to hit me, but she pushed me out of the way. And she got hit. That's why I'm doing whatever it is I can to make sure I raise the money for her surgery.
Wow. So she took the hit for you?
Sadly, yes.
And how much is her surgery?
7 million naira. 7 million naira.
And what are you willing to do to raise this money?
Whatever it takes. Whatever I must do, I will do. Because she has to see.
Okay.
Why'd you ask?
Nothing. No, I was just asking.
Okay. Well, ma'am, I should be going now.
Really?
Yes, it's almost getting dark.
Oh, you know, I was thinking you would spend the night, to look after me because I still feel so much pain.
So sorry, but ma, you have maids that could look after you. But my Marian, she has no one. So I have to be there to take care of her.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you for everything.
All right, Donald.
All right, ma.
Good night.
Good night, ma.
But babe, you should just have stayed back and helped her, even if it's just for tonight.
And why will I do that? She has a cook, she has maids that attend to her needs. What do you have? Nobody but me. I had to come back to be with you.
You're right.
Yes, I'm always right. You know, I've actually missed you. I was rushing back so that I could just come and hold you, I've actually missed our strolling, Those strolls that we walk on the road, laugh, hold hands.
But it's not too late. You can still go.
Right?
Yeah.
You want to go?
Yeah, why not?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do you do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty.
But I felt so dejected and sad.
Like, how could he leave me in this condition to go take care of his blind girlfriend?
Come to think of this, the guy was right. You have so many people working for you. And whose responsibility is it to take care of you? For the poor girlfriend that has no one except him. Girl, you can't have everything at your own disposal and still want more.
Do I not deserve it?
You get what you deserve. Yeah, you did what a normal person is supposed to do. It's not like he's the one after you. You're the one after him. And now you want him to act like he's the one after you. You have to be careful though, before all this thing backfires on you.
Okay. Out.
Sorry.
So what can I do? I want this guy all to myself. I need him. Every fiber in my body wants this guy. What can I do?
Okay. I have 2 options. And you have to pick one.
Okay, I'm listening.
The first one is, you have to sit down and talk to this guy. You guys should see one-on-one. Tell him what you want, and also tell him what he stands to gain. Then if it works, fine. Second option is, you have to calm down. Work your way into his heart. It will take time, but this is the most effective one. It will work. Get into his life, calm down, slow and steady. Okay?
Come in, who's there? Oh. Good morning. How's your night?
Good, ma. How yours and your leg? How was it?
Still in so much pain. I couldn't manage because there was no one to take care of me.
Oh, but you have your maids, ma.
Oh, Donald, what you don't realize is that my mates cannot take care of me like a man would.
Let's not open that chapter again, ma.
Well, it was never closed.
You're still in bed. That's quite unlike you.
Because I clearly can't walk.
Maybe that's because you don't want to walk.
Who doesn't want to walk? As you can see, I'm clearly in pain.
But ma, you need to exercise the leg. You need to walk around because if you don't, the leg would probably not heal and you'll be in bed for more than a month. Then that would be bad for your work.
God forbid. So what can I do?
Like I said, you need to exercise the leg. You need to come out, walk, exert some pressure on it.
Okay.
You know what? When you're out of bed, I would walk you around the building.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll be outside.
Come in, please sit.
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Is this for me?
Yes, go ahead, sit, please. Donald.
Ma.
I want to talk to you about something.
Okay.
You know, the last time we talked about your girlfriend's eye surgery, you said you were willing to do anything to fix her sight.
Yes, ma.
All right. Here.
Ma? This is a check of 15 million naira.
Yeah. Now that money could be yours today if you agree to my terms and condition.
Terms and condition?
See, Donald,
I want you to be mine. Look, I want you to leave your girlfriend and be mine. That money in your hand can make her see again. And you can use the rest of it for whatever you want.
No. Ma, I'm sorry, but no amount of money in this world can make me leave my girlfriend. I love her so much, I'm sorry.
Look, Donald, think about it. I mean, look at the brighter side. Look, you said you would do anything to make her see again. Now, Donald, that is anything. And if you ask me, that has been served on a platter.
Man, no. I love my girlfriend so much. I love her so much that I can't imagine my life without her. No. So I'll find another way. But I'm not leaving my girlfriend. I'm not leaving Mary. No.
So you'd rather keep your love and watch your girlfriend stay blind for the rest of her life?
No. No, she will never be blind for the rest of her life. I will still find another means.
No, Donald, let's talk about it. How much do you think you can save from your salary to fix this eye problem? How long? After you're done paying your utility bills, transportation, clothing, feeding? How much do you think you can save up at the end of the day for your girlfriend's surgery? If I were you, I would accept this offer.
I'm sorry, Ma, I can't.
Okay. Now let us mind the job that pays us. So eat, so we can go to work. I need to go in and get ready.
Honestly, bro, I couldn't believe. I wouldn't have thought my boss can do such a thing.
You couldn't believe. You didn't believe because you were too blind and foolish to see it. You who's caught in the middle, you're inept. You don't even see. I saw this coming. I knew that she was going to make that move. See, just do this thing. Don't use this your foolishness and your selfishness and deny Marianne an opportunity to see again. You hear me?
And what do you mean by that?
Okay, come think about it. Would you prefer she remains blind or regain her sight? No, think about it. So you don't want Marianne to see or what? Or how much do you intend to save from your peanut of a salary? That your 11 naira that you receive? See, my guy, just do this and let this girl regain her sight. And once she regains her sight, I believe she will bounce back. No, when she sees again, she will bounce back and this will get back to normal. I don't want you to use your selfishness and deny this girl this her opportunity, this golden opportunity of seeing again. Please.
Wait. So Uche, you're in support of me leaving Marianne. Wow. Honestly, I can't believe this. You of all people know how much I love Marianne. You know how far we've come together.
It's all about love and life.
I can't believe this. You know what? I wouldn't even stand here and listen to you talk me into leaving my girlfriend, the person that I love.
I'm not saying you should leave Marianne.
I can't.
This girl needs to see.
No, that's your business.
Don't see. Come, wait. I have.
It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do? When the going gets tough.
Hey, babe. You're looking so good. Let me help you out, yeah. And I want to wish you all the best. And the bestest of luck.
Thank you.
You know.
I need it, actually.
Let me help you out. Yeah. And just know that I love you so much. Yeah.
I know. And I love you too. And I just want to get this job so that I can treat you well.
I know you will get it for sure.
Thank you, baby.
All the best.
That's all the luck I need, right?
Yeah.
All right, baby. get back.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Marianne, this can only be you. God, I love you so much.
Hey, welcome back, my love. You look so tired.
Yeah, I am tired and hungry as well. I was hoping I would get money on my way back from a friend, but things didn't go as planned.
It's fine, baby. Don't worry about that. So I prepared your favorite meal.
You did?
Yeah. So let me just come with it. Baby, so I prepared your best meal.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow. Babe, you made this.
I did it for you.
Thank you. Please sit.
No, it's fine. I just want to treat you as my king that you are. You like it?
I love it. You know, I just wish I really get a job soon so that I can pay you back for all the sacrifices that you've made for me.
Baby, no. I don't want you to pay me back anything. I'm just doing this because I love you. I do.
I'm really lucky to have you.
I'm also lucky to have you.
It's all about love and life.
I love you.
It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. No. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real test, is in the hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you.
Come in.
Donald, what is it?
I've decided to accept your offer, but on one condition.
And what could that be?
That you will allow me go through the procedure with her.
All right, fine. You can do that. But you can never see her again after the surgery. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, then we have a deal.
I cross my heart, and I say to you,
Babe, guess what happened today? I spoke with my boss about your situation. She has agreed to pay the money for your surgery and she will deduct it from my salary as the days goes by.
Are you for real?
I'm telling you, baby.
So that means I'm going to see again?
Yes, you're going to see again. I told you I will do everything possible this time.
Thank you so much.
Yes, baby. Yes, come.
today?
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning.
I'm fine. My boyfriend told me everything, and I'm so grateful. May God bless you. Just want to say thank you.
No, don't bother. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's okay. So, all the arrangements have been made.
Yes.
That's the reason I'm here this early. So, shall we?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right.
Babe.
Well, thank God his surgery was successful. And as for the bandage, to be taken out in 2 days' time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, doctor. I just pray everything will be okay and her eyes will be fully restored.
Trust me, she'll be fine.
She'll be fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, baby, I'm so happy too.
Hey, love.
Yes, babe.
When this bandage is removed, I want you to be the first person I see.
Don't worry, I'll make sure of that, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, babe. I love you.
Love you too.
So now that the surgery has been done, I have fulfilled my part of the deal. So it's time for you to move in with me.
I know.
Okay. Just making sure that we're on the same page.
Try and open your eyes. Can you see anything?
Yes, but the images are not very clear. Yeah. They're getting clearer gradually.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. With time, it will become even more clearer. But the most important thing is that you can see. Congratulations.
Thank you. Oche,
Yes.
where's Donald? Why is he not here?
I've not seen him either, but let's hope he shows us soon, okay?
He said he'll be here. He's supposed to be here.
He's going to
He should be here. Where is he?
Let's hope he shows up, okay?
No, what is going on? He promised. He said he'll be here.
Come on now, Mary, relax, okay?
Calm down.
The good thing that you can see now, alright? Just relax.
Okay,
You need
and
to sit down.
are you sure he's fine? He promised. He said he'll be here.
Come on,
He
Mary,
promised
relax.
me.
Calm down, madam. Calm down. Don't stress yourself.
I've got news.
You see that? The bandage has been removed and she can see again. I'll be downstairs. Okay.
Uche, where's Donald? I've been trying to reach him, but his phone is not going through.
I've not seen Donald in 2 days, and he cannot be reached.
What do you mean? What happened? Is he okay? Is he fine? What?
The truth is I've not seen Donald in 2 days.
2 days? He's your friend. Is he okay? Is he fine?
Okay, where is your friend?
I don't know.
You can't tell me you don't know. Me and you know that before Donald does anything, he lets you. So you can't tell me you don't know where Donald
Lara,
is.
I just told you I don't know where Donald is. Okay?
I hope this is not what I'm thinking. Because if I find out that Donald has abandoned my friend, this world, the entire world will not be enough for the both of us.
Lara, you go look for Donald yourself. Let's see if these threats you are dishing out, you can be able to handle them. Okay? And stop threatening me. I don't like it.
Oh, you think this is threats?
Hey.
You're looking at Uche. Uche!
Clara, something is not happening. Something is just not right somewhere. I love Donald and he loves me. This is something off. I know Donald can't do this to me. I don't know. I just feel like something.
You just need to relax, eh? I've been saying this since.
Clara, don't tell me to relax. Something is wrong somewhere. I know Donald is just lost somewhere or something is just happening, but I know him and I like him and he likes me too.
Come on, sit.
Don't tell me to sit, Clara. You know what? I'm just going outside. I don't know where. I'm just going anywhere to look for him and I'll...
Mary, come on.
Who's there?
Donald. Donald, why did you abandon me? What did I do?
I'm done with you, Marianne. I'm done. All right, you need to move on. I can't be with someone like you. All right, Cynthia is the best thing that has happened to me, and I have fallen in love with her. So just go and never come back, because I can't be in love with someone like you. I can't be with a low life like you. All right, just go.
Are you sure about this?
Marianne, can you please just go?
It's all about love and life.
Just go, okay,
It's
go.
all about sacrifice.
Just go.
How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green.
Mary, did I not tell you not to go there? But you won't listen to me. Eh? See, that guy has abandoned you. You just need to move on with your life. Hmm? Thank God you can see now. You just need to focus. Face your life and forget about him. Hmm? Stop crying. You know when you cry, it hurts me so much. It's okay. It's okay, Mary. You want me to start crying? It's okay. Okay.
See, guy, why don't you just tell Marianne the truth? You know, just tell her the truth and let her just know.
No, I can't. Oh, honestly, I can't. You know, if I tell her the truth now, she would believe somewhere that there's a possibility of me coming back. And I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. All right, I need her to move on and just move on with her life, because I don't know. It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make for our love.
Oh, girl, you know she's going through a lot. Like, she's going through so much.
Yeah, I know.
Man, this is really painful, you know.
Whatever I say for love. Whatever decision I make, ooh, It's all for love. Mm. I cross my heart, and I say to you, today and forever, you are mine. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing.
Baby, is everything okay? Hmm? My love, what is wrong?
My heart is not in it. I don't love you. All right, you can have my body, but you cannot have my heart. It belongs to Maria.
Don't. Girl, this whole thing is becoming tiring. Like, I don't even understand. Like, me and this guy can be in the same room and he won't see me. It's like we're together, but he can't see through me. You know, you need a man who can see through you. Like, we can be in the same room, yet he's so far away. And the whole time I just sit there thinking to myself, where is his empathy? Look, I could be naked, stuck naked in front of this guy, and he won't budge. Like, the whole thing is just starting to get me frustrated. Like, it's so tiring.
I understand.
I don't know what else to do.
I understand. But you have to take it easy. You know, you guys just started this relationship thing. So you just have to relax. Give him time to settle properly. Okay? I understand. Yes, that's my advice.
It's all about love
Okay?
and life.
So just relax.
It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. No. The taste for true love is not in roses. But the real test, is in the hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you.
Come in. What do you want? Miriam, I'm here to ask you. What did you do to Donald? What are you talking about? I have done everything humanly possible for him to fall in love with me, yet he wouldn't. So I ask you, what did you do to Donald?
I don't know what you're talking about. The two of you are lovers now, so I don't understand why you're here to bother me.
Did I not keep to my own side of the deal?
So why won't he keep to his own side of the deal? Why?
And what kind of deal are you talking about?
Well, the agreement was that I pay for your eye surgery in exchange for his love for me. So why is he not forthcoming?
Wait. Are you trying to say that Donald agreed to be with you as in payment for my surgery?
Oh, he didn't tell you? Well, tell Donald to get his act together and keep his own side of the deal, okay? I don't play with my money. A deal is a deal.
So Donald traded our relationship for me to get my sight back. Like, this is too much. Donald, oh my goodness.
What are you doing here? I thought I warned you not to come see me here again.
Why didn't you tell me the truth?
What truth?
That you agreed to be with her just to pay for my surgery.
Who told you that?
Cynthia came to the house and she told me everything. Donald, you shouldn't have done that. I prefer being blind and be with you than have my sight and lose you, Donald. My conditions are even worse now that you're not around. Donald.
7 million naira, it's a lot of money. How many months, how many years will I need to work before I can get the money to give you for your surgery? I had to do what I had to do. Look, I did this for us. I love you so much. I love you so much, but this is a price I had to pay for us. But I can't stand to see you blind. I just had to do it. Look, I am not happy, all right? I'm not happy where I am, but I have no choice. I love you so much.
I can't survive without you.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do you do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real taste, is in the hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. Through the storms, under the sun, even in the rain, through thick and thin, yeah, I'll always be there for you.
I need you to get your things and get out of my house.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Get your stuff and get out of my house. There's no point of me pretending that you and I are ever going to work out. I don't want to be the one to break up two genuine lovers. I do not want that curse on my head. I saw you two yesterday. And then I realized that there's nothing that I can do to separate both of you. So I have sent you 5 million naira. I want you to leave my life, leave my company, leave everything that concerns me, and go be with your woman. I'm leaving the country.
But Donald,
I don't want to see you anywhere around my life. I can't stand it. You have 2 hours to leave my house.
I'm sorry, Cynthia. I can adjust, okay? Just give me some time to adjust properly.
Donald, there's no need for that. Go be with your woman.
Cynthia. You're a nice person. You know, I wish I can help myself, but I can't. But if you would give me some time, I would try, I would adjust.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Do you love her?
With the very air that I breathe, I do.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice. How much can you give in exchange for love? Yeah. It's easy to say I love you. So easy to say I need you. When the land is green, what do? When the going gets tough, the taste for love is not in bounty. No. The taste for true love is not in roses, but the real test. Is in hard times. Yeah. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you.
No, Donald. Donald, you back?
Yes, baby. I'm back.
Real.
I'm back. I'll never leave you.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's all about love and life. It's all about sacrifice.
It's okay.
Cynthia, are you sure you relocating abroad is the best thing to do?
There's nothing left here for me. I can't do this. I can't risk bumping into him in public. I can't be in the same city as he is. Listen, I loved this guy too much. Too much. Sad enough that I can't be with him. I can't stand the thought of him with someone else. So I have to go. I need to go somewhere and heal. And start life afresh and then come back. But for now, I have to go.
Okay.
You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you.
Hey, Bob.
No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. Through the storms, under the sun, even in the rain, through thick and thin, yeah, I'll always be there for you. Whatever I do for love. Whatever I say for love. Whatever decision I make, ooh, it's all for love. is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter what may come my way, I will always be there for you. You're my word, my life, my everything. This is me professing love to you. No matter